Is your smart TV refusing to connect to 5 GHz Wi-Fi? Buffering, slow speed, or no connection at all? You are not alone, and yes, this problem is fixable. Stay with me, and I will walk you through simple working solutions. Let's fix your smart TV 5 GHz Wi-Fi step by step. Step 1. Check if your TV supports 5 GHz. Not all smart TVs support 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Go to your TV manual or settings. Look for network specifications. If it only supports 2.4 GHz, then 5 GHz will not work at all. Step 2. Restart your TV and router. This is simple, but very effective. Turn off your TV, unplug it for 30 seconds. Restart your router as well. Wait until internet lights are stable. Now reconnect your TV to Wi-Fi. Step 3. Move your TV closer to the router. 5 GHz Wi-Fi is fast, but has shorter range. Walls and distance reduce signal strength. Place your TV closer to the router, or remove obstacles in between. Step 4. Change Wi-Fi channel on your router. Sometimes the channel is crowded. Log into your router settings using your phone or laptop. Go to wireless settings, then go to 5 GHz band, then change channel. Try channel 36, 40, or 44. Save and restart router. Step 5. Check SSID settings. Make sure 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz have different names. If both have same name, your TV may get confused. Rename 5 GHz network like Home 5G. Step 6. Update your TV software. Outdated software can cause connection issues. Go to settings, then go to support, then go to software update, then select update now. Install any available update. Step 7. Reset network settings on your TV. Go to settings, then go to general, then go to network, then select reset network. Reconnect Wi-Fi again from scratch. Step 8. Check router compatibility mode. Some TVs do not support newer Wi-Fi standards like Wi-Fi 6 only mode. Go to router settings. Set wireless mode to mixed mode like 802.11/n/AC. Step 9. Factory reset as last option. If nothing works, reset your TV. Go to settings, then go to system, then go to reset, then select factory reset. This will remove all settings. If you still face any issue, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Like this video, share it, and subscribe to TechVibes. We are here to solve your tech problems. Follow these steps carefully, and your smart TV will connect to 5 GHz Wi-Fi smoothly again.